Methodist LeBonheur Healthcare in Western Tennessee is a model of outstanding patient care. From the green, new construction of LeBonheur Children's Hospital in Memphis to the 6 other hospitals, as well as home health agencies and outpatient clinics. The careful cultivation of Methodist's vision of building green, saving green, and living green has earned nationwide acclaim. But what is truly noteworthy is the way this nonprofit, faith-based organization achieved so many strategic goals in such a short period of time.
Well, you really can't execute complex strategies, achieve aspirational goals without a tremendous amount of collaboration. A lot of different talent has to come together from a lot of different places to make it happen.
Methodist turned to its longtime partner, Johnson Controls, to collaborate on system-wide sustainability initiatives and the construction of the Children's Hospital.
When we entered into the design and development of the new Children's Hospital in 2005, we were going to build the finest, most technologically forward-thinking children's hospital in the world. And in 2005, we didn't even know what that meant in 2011. And so, as we were developing our project, we came to the realization that we were not going to be able to achieve that under the standard construction management contractor model. We needed to have somebody who was focused on that.
Johnson Controls used its planning and consulting tool called Innovation Services to help key stakeholders prioritize their requirements and create alignment among the team. 20 senior managers from a number of departments ranked needs and evaluated their organization's effectiveness at addressing them. The result was a clear strategy for growth and a plan for supporting the ever-changing technology requirements in healthcare.
It was important to our patients and families because some of the technology that we were able to put into place has allowed us to work with our families closer and faster and really partner with them in that care. Because when talking about the nurse call system, when I can pick up the phone and talk to a physician directly about what I'm seeing with the patient, then I am giving information that allows the physician to make better decisions, and technology allows us to do that.
As the technology contractor, Johnson Controls was the single point of contact for identifying IT investments in a way that went beyond simply installing the network. Johnson Controls collaborated with Methodist to evaluate the most cost-effective purchasing and vendor strategies, prioritized and planned the integration of clinical, building, and business systems, and managed the timeline and installation.
Our corporate partners really think the world of the team that was brought on from Johnson. I think that it really took a lot of stress off of them, and there was an amazing amount of trust by the end of the project between the two groups.
Whether behind the scenes or in patient rooms, the technology integrates seamlessly. For example, families order patient meals, make notes in their child's electronic medical records, and browse the internet from devices in each room. Clinicians use RFID monitoring to locate staff and quickly respond to patient needs. And when newer technology becomes available, the team created a platform and a plan to adapt to the changes. Change and growth are also built into the design of the hospital's heating, cooling, and electrical systems. From the street, the modular central plant blends in with the brick facade of the hospital and the surrounding neighborhood. Behind the walls are 13 modules built by Johnson Controls, containing chillers, boilers, and generators. The compact design gives Methodist the flexibility to add to the central plant within the existing footprint if needed.
And in fact, we actually did, after we built the modular plant, we added an emergency generator set and brought it in, took the roof off the module, set it in, put the roof back on.
The design is not only flexible, but very energy efficient.
We've only been open now for about 6 months, but we're predicting our energy consumption is going to be somewhere in the 25% reduction of what it would have been with a standard plant, and takes up the minimum amount of real estate necessary, which is another critical piece for all hospitals.
To To ensure its facilities and infrastructure continue to perform as designed, Methodist takes advantage of Johnson Controls' Integrated Client Services Program. A team of 22 Johnson Controls on-site management level and administrative employees provide all building maintenance, equipment operations, landscaping, and facility engineering services.
While they bring in outside expertise, they're not viewed as outsiders by any means. I would challenge anyone to come in if they didn't know that we had a relationship with Johnson Controls. You would never know that our facility director is not a salaried member of our team here at Methodist.
In addition, a planned service agreement through Johnson Controls keeps equipment operating efficiently and reliably.
We've got so many unpredictable costs, drug costs rising at huge amounts, labor costs, and the unpredictability of having staffing. The predictability that y'all bring to us on the facility side, again, eliminates a worry that we used to have on our own. It has saved us money, and there have been no major surprises.
Predictability is only one way Methodist LeBonheur Healthcare measures success.
We get measured by CMS, we get measured by the Joint Commission, we have the state comes in, and every review process that we go through, our environment of care receives accolades from these surveying organizations that we had one surveyor from Joint Commission who made the comment, these folks get it.
I think it allows us to make decisions, better decisions, at the point of care.
No crisis, stable, smooth environments.
I give Johnson Controls a lot of credit. I think they've made a big difference in our organization.
Planning for sustainable growth, predictable operation, and a focus on outstanding patient-centered care. Methodist LeBonheur and Johnson Controls are working together to provide high-quality healthcare environments for those they serve.